Good evening and welcome to the 2013 Culinary Cabaret. We are so happy to have you here supporting the Holland Community Health Center.
We feel that it is important to help those in need. The Holland Community Health Center provides care for those who have no access to conventional care. Thanks for coming and have a good time.
I've been volunteering as a family physician at the Community Health Center for several years and seeing patients about a half a day a week to fill in and to provide more patient visits for them.
I've watched my wife volunteer here, and I've had a number of other friends from the hospital who have worked at different times at the Community Health Center, and I've seen the joy it gives them to participate in that care. I've also seen the benefits to the patients who have not otherwise been able to get care for diabetes, care for obesity, care for some chronic medical conditions that ultimately are going to lead to some significant problems.
Our mission is to improve the health of our patients by providing quality health care regardless of language, financial, or cultural barriers.
We served over 4,900 patients with over 10,000 visits last year.
We performed 1,800 well child checks with a 96% childhood immunization rate.
We have 89 families that don't qualify for our sliding fee program, but we're able to offer them a payment plan that works with their budget so that they can still have the quality health care that they need and keep food on the table for their families. And we also have a medication program where we've been able to provide patients with $498,000 in free medication.
The things that make me smile at the end of the day are really, in general, caring for a group of people that have found it hard to get health care and that don't have such good access to health care.
So we're one of the only places that really do accept a lot of uninsured patients, and it's just really nice to be able to help these people who really do need to find a good provider to go to.
One of the exciting things about being here is being able to serve a community that has struggles with the English language, our Spanish-speaking patients, and I have been able to acquire Spanish over the last 12 years, and more I joke about my new word of the day as I learn a new word interacting with the patient.
On average, each provider will see about 12 to 13 patients a day, and we normally have at least 4 on site, so plus the volunteer physicians when they come in.
There isn't this sense of, we've got the doctors and then all the other staff, but really a team. We spend time working, doing team building to encourage that attitude. I feel like staff know that they can come to me and ask questions, and I can go to them, and we just have a camaraderie, and so I think that's part of how we work so well together.
I never worked with a better group of people whose hearts are so big, who come to work day in and day out and give. And I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.
We can't really afford to go anywhere else, and our baby has a lot of problems, so we rely on this place to get an expert opinion, I guess you could say, and let us know what we need to do.
The health clinic is, to me, different. It's like when you go somewhere else, they turn you down because you don't have insurance, or they don't care to see how you feel. But the health center, they do. They make sure they get all the details, or she'll pull up her computer and look at it and say, okay, let's where we go from here. So I feel like I'm family.
In the spring of 2011, Ready for School developed a presence at the Holland Community Health Center. Here at the Health Center, we have over 900 patients that we serve that are ages 0 to 5. We offer them preschool tuition assistance, again, are involved in the Reach Out and Read program, do care coordination including home visits, and really try to support the culture here of excellence in providing care for kids as they develop.
think my vision personally is to grow what we do here. We are a small drop in a pond of need.
Thank you. We can get all the support that, that is offered, so thank you for your support. Our patients really appreciate it, we really appreciate it, and by your support you are making a difference, and it is helping change the lives of many, so thank you.
I don't think there's any words that can really sum it up, to be honest. I mean, we are here every day because of people like the donors at the Culinary Cabaret. Without the support of everybody, we would not be able to serve the patients that we serve, and who knows what would happen to them. So there aren't words to thank enough what the donors do for us and our patients. I know they are very thankful, and we hear and see that on a daily basis here.
Thank you for taking care of me. Dr. Duncan and Sue and the other doctors that's here, but I always see Dr. Duncan.
Thank you to Holland Community Health Center.
Well, thank you for doing a great job, and we really appreciate it.
Thank you.
I appreciate everything they've done.
Thank you all for the service you've done for me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love it here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.